So we need to see how we can insert a record in service now using script. Script means we need to write here. Definitely, when you are inserting a record in service now table, it means what? It means it should be a server-side script only, right? So like in client script, we have g underscore form. In server script, we have current object, previous object. Likewise, we have one API or a class we call as a glide record. So glide record is a class which we will use to insert a record in table, service now table. So what we'll do, so I will go before insert, that is fine. I want to do one thing, like if I'm creating a record in this table, after creating a record in this table, it should create a record in incident table as well. You got my scenario? If I create a record in this table, it should create a record in incident table as well. And what about the fields? So whatever the fields, we have short description here, open, priority. These fields should be the same for incident. Sorry. Whatever the short description of this record should be the short description of this incident. Now we need to first do what? We need to do what? First we need to write a query. Means for doing any operation on any table, we need to write a query, right? I told you to create a record in service now using script, we need to use GlideRecord API or class. So generally how you will initiate the class in the same fashion. What we need to do, first we need to create a variable. Where, how we can create the variable in JavaScript using var new record equal to, this is a variable. Okay, whether you are able to see my screen. Hello guys. Okay, I'm creating var new record equal to new glide record, and in which table we need to create the record. In that we need to use that table name. Incident is the table, so I put incident. So if it's a glide record, it's the API, it will be in the bold color in service, right? So what I have just initialized the object with the table name. We are creating a record in incident table. That's why we are writing a glide record on this table. Everyone got this? After this, what I need to do? I need to insert a record. So before that, for every object, when you create the object, you need to initialize the record. You need to what? Initialize the record. So I'm just initialize the object. Sorry, we need to initialize the object. So I put new record dot initialize. After that, we need to do what? We need to map the fields using this object. What we need to map? So this record is for the newly created incident record. So I just write the object dot. I know what is the field name of short description here. Short underscore description. What is the description? It's a description. I put the same thing. New record dot short underscore description equal to, I need to assign what? Current record short description. I will write current dot short underscore description. Everyone got this line of code? First line, created a record for incident table. Created an object. Which object? Glide record object. Everyone got this one, guys? After that, initialize the glide record object. Everyone got this? After that, what we are doing? Mapping the fields. New record short description is nothing but what? The newly created, whatever you are going to create the incident, that field name equal to our current table is a table for PPA table. So we are using current dot short description. In the same fashion, you can say new record. Just copy paste the same. And I will write current dot description also we have. Sorry, new record dot description equal to current dot description. Then we have another field. Which field? If you go to this field, so we have assigned to field, right? I write okay, or state or priority field. So I'll go for assigned field. Assigned to field. I'll copy paste this assigned to field equal to, sorry, current dot assigned to equal to record incident record assigned to. If I right click here, there is assigned to. I put there. In this way, I need to do one more thing. New record. I know there is a comment and work. So dot work underscore notes equal to, this is created from P table, and I will put plus. The P table contains a number also. I'll use a number. So I'm putting number current dot number. Okay, I'm mapping the short description assigned to, and I'm writing some hard coded value in the work notes. And after doing that, what I need to do, I need to insert a record. I will write new record dot insert. There is an insert function. So it will create a record. So for now, I will just comment this. So in the add info message, I will just write incident created. I will just remove this. And here I will just save. Got it? What I'm doing, once this record is getting created, after insert, it should create the incident. I'm putting the same short description here. Let's work now. Okay, I will just create a new record here. Click on new. I will here let common description. One short description. Here I will put ITIL. Right, and after that I will just click on submit. After submit, say incident created. What is this created? Okay, created. Sorry, I just saved this. Okay, incident. Okay, something created. I will go to the incident table. Let's see, is there any new incident created? I go to the incident. I click on open. See, we got one incident, right? If I open this, I am 300100027. So I got the power short description. This is the ITL, right? And if you see work note, this is created from P table. So whatever you are writing a work notes, it will update here. It will go into activity. Why? There is one topic that we'll see later. So we have general entries field, work notes and comments. So what are those? Maybe we'll take some another session on that. For now, you need to concentrate on how to create the incident record using script from this table. How to utilize the current short description, current record short description using current. How to assign the field. This field belongs to this incident table. This field belongs to current table. That's why we are using current dot. Everyone got this? Yes. Now, there is one more thing. How you will identify after creating the incident, we should update the same ticket with that incident number, whatever the incident. Now, what I need to do, I need to go to this number, I need to search these things. Okay, there is an incident number, right? And we'll come to know, okay, this is the incident number. How I can find out in a script only. So whenever you are using the record object dot insert, it will return a sysID of newly created record. I will store this into var suppose new record sys ID equal to this, and I will just give you in add info message. I just click on plus, I put here new record sysID. Okay. So what the return type of this insert function is a sysID of newly created record. We are storing in this new record sysID. Just we are alert into this. Let's see how it will work now. So I will go to again this. I will create one record. And I click on save. If I click on save, so now see, incident created. This is the sysID I will get. How to search this sysID in incident table? Just click on filter, search sysID. Start with or is anything is fine. Run. We got the rate, right? This is a one way of doing that. So we got the sysID also. You know this new record. Okay, once it is incident, still we can see access this new record. So if I use this new record instead of this sysID, I use new record dot number. If I use, see, I can access any field from this object because we have created this object to create the incident. Same incident number, if I want to retrieve, I can use this object dot number as. If I put this object dot number and if I click on save, and now if I go and create a new record in this table, if I click on new, and if I click on save, now you can say incident created INC0029. I will do the same here. See 29. I will search. Right? Everyone got this? How we have created this business too. We need to do the same thing. Okay. We need to do the same thing. How we can create one record from your table to the incident table.